Hit it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
DudeMungus.
A-Mungus tip.
Hey dude and dudette, say what up, it's your boy Dude Mungus. We're back today with another Mungus tip, and we're going to be talking about 360 angles. And just real quick, I know a lot of people been asking about Deadshot. Deadshot is here. Deadshot is getting some much needed TLC. I knew when I got a new bike, I was going to break this bike down and get some much needed TLC. Like, had an issue where my spring broke on the header, so I have a new one of these I'm about to put on. So just, it's okay. But anyway, back to the video. So what we're talking about today are 360 camera angles. I get asked a lot of questions. Mungus, how do you position your camera? There's a lot of people that think because it's a 360 cam, you should position it straight up and down. That is not true, in my opinion. Now, there are different ways to do your camera. People have different visions on how to do their camera. I have this part to connect down here, but I don't need it for this quick video. But there's a lot of different opinions. Me personally, this is how I tilt my camera. Oh, gotta hold it. My camera, you will always see my camera at an angle something similar to this. So something you have to keep in mind, these flat parts on the camera, here, just take this off. So these flat parts, this area along here, this is all a stitch line. So if your camera is angled kind of weird and your stitch line is in the middle of the bike, it's going to look really, really weird. And that's something you do not want. So the reason, click this back on. So the reason you'll see my camera angle like this is so the stitch line, so if you look at the bike, right? The stitch line is going to be away from the bike and it's going to be away from the tire. So if you follow this stitch line, it literally goes away from the tires. So when you're reviewing the video, it's actually going to look clean and look how it's supposed to do. So I will actually post up a few examples of a way how I used to do it and how I do it now to make it work perfectly. But anyway, dude and dudettes, that is my Mungus tip for today. Enjoy these examples and see the difference that I'm talking about. I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. You know what it is. One shot, Deadshot. Dude Mungus.
DudeMungus.
Oh my gosh, that bike looks good! Yo! This is what I be trying to catch all the time. The freaking reflection. To see that goodness right there.
Thank you for watching, dudes. DudeMungus. DudeMungus. Thank you for watching, dudes. DudeMungus.